Mendes, and we are going to talk about the nasal and approximant sounds. The approximant consonant it is a consonant that sounds in some ways like a vowel. For example, lateral approximant like the sound of L in the English, for example in the word like, and the sound of R in English, for example in words like right, and semi-vowels, for example like the sound Y, for example in the word yes, and the sound for the W, for example in wet, are all approximate. These sounds are produced by bringing two parts of the mouth, for example the tongue and the roof of the mouth, close to each other. However, it is not close enough to cause the air to be blocked, like like a fricative consonant. Also, the parts are not far apart enough to become a vowel. And also we have the nasal sounds. The nasal sound in American pronunciation are the M sound and the N sound. The air is completely blocked from leaving the mouth and is instantly released out through the nose. Alternate sounds are voiced, meaning that the vocal cords vibrate during the creation of the sound. And welcome to the video, and I hope that enjoy the information. Thank you.
The sound. This sound is nasal sound. It means you will send a stream of air through your nose. Is voiced because the vocal cords are vibrating. You can find the sound in words such as number, arm, mouth, and make. To begin practicing the sound, you will need to firmly press your lips against each other. Your teeth will not touch and the tongue are going to stay relaxed. You are going to allow the air escape through your nose.
Hi everyone, so I will explain the sound with letter N. So it's made through the nose rather than the mouth, and it is voiced. So which means to use your vocal cord. So it is defined by the position of your tongue. It is made with the flow of air through the mouth completely blocked and diverted to the nose. So to produce the sound, put your tongue against the ridge, just behind your top teeth, so that your mouth is completely blocked and it voices out through your nose. So manner of articulation is nasal. So and the place of articulation is alveolar. So it is voiced. For example, you can say nice or fun. Thank you.
Hello guys, today we are going to learn things about the consonant H. H is the name, but the sound is you have to do something like the air coming from out to your mouth. And when you make the sound, it doesn't have duration. That's the reason that the H is voiceless, the position is glottal, and the manner is fricative. Some people could say that the H doesn't have sound, but in English word has an important job. Here you are some examples. For example, home, home. You see? The second one, and the first. Have, have. This the sound, the H, and the beginning. Here you are some examples when you have the H and the middle. Behind, behind, behind. Ahead, ahead. You can see, it's You don't have to forget the H. It's great to know about this consonant. See you next class.
Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the consonant sound letter L. The sound is void because there is a vibration in your tongue. The place of articulation is alveolar. Its place again can reach behind open from this. The manner is approximant. The sound L in English is similar to the sound of the Spanish letter L. It's continuous and pass over both sides of the tongue. This is an example. Late, late. Another one is less, less.
Hi, I am going to talk about the sound R. The manner of articulation is approximate. The place of articulation is alveolar. There are two different ways to create an R sound, and also the tone placement is huge difference between the two. The sound they produce is very similar. Examples of the deep sounds are gray, car, repeat, rebate. Other example is the car is red, then.
Hi, this is the sound. The is a sound from the consonant space group, and it is called the voice dental fricative. This means that you create friction between the tongue and the top teeth. The sound is made through the mouth, and it is voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It is defined by position of your tongue and teeth, and it is fricative, which means that the sound is produced by high pressure airflow between narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it is the space between the tip of the tongue and the top teeth. The sound is spelled with the letters TH. Some words of the sounds are this, those, that, brother, then, and they.
Hi, this is the J sound. The J sound is made through the mouth and is voiced, which means you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It is defined by the position of your tongue, and it is an approximant, which is a sound made by creating a narrow space airflows. In this case, it's the space between your tongue and the top of your mouth. The sides are blocked so the flow of air just goes through the middle of your mouth.